So far in our lectures, I've talked to you primarily about the problems. I'm now going to try and present to you a series of solutions. Solution number one, I told you, I'm going to say it again. Don't buy a home in a homeowners association. The problem can't occur if you're not inside. Don't do it. I mean, I'm in one, and I would not do it again. Don't own a home in a homeowners association. However, if you feel so compelled to do so, before you sign that document, in spite of the fact that it may feel like some form of torture, read every page of your CC&Rs. And after you've read them, make an appointment to sit with the management company and have them explain everything that you don't understand. And by the way, you won't understand much. It's been written that way. Next. If an event occurs, a letter, a complaint, something that disturbs you, never call the management company. Send them a certified letter. Be sure that it's documented, the date and the time that you sent the letter. Yes, it's going to cost you about $6 per letter. It's going to take a few minutes of your time, and it may seem like it's simple. But my experience is this. Anything that you say verbally is denied by those who heard the verbal comment as I don't remember. And I can assure you that a verbal comment will not hold up in court. Next. If in fact you are fined, don't let the fines build. In my opinion, the way that I handle it is, if I receive a letter and the fine is for $100, I pay that $100, paid under protest. As soon as the check is cashed, I send a letter saying, I paid this under protest, I want my money back. And if I don't get my money back in 15 consecutive calendar days, I'm going to sue you. And I do. And the thing that comes from that is, I don't get any more of those letters because they haven't got the time to see me in court. Now, will that change? I don't know. I think with the release of this video, I would imagine I will be attacked from all ends. I expect it. I accept it. But at some point along the way, this information is going to disseminate. I will tell you the ultimate solution to this is as follows. 1, get the banks to stop loaning on properties in HOAs where the HOAs have a right to lien the property, especially with super liens. Get the HOA to waive it. If they won't waive it, don't loan on the property. Next. Request that legislation be passed giving homeowners equal access to legal services at the cost of the HOA. And I can assure you that this statement, for anybody that's heard this at the management companies or the collection companies, caused the eyes to go both wide and made them laugh. Here's how it would work. The HOA sues you, comes after you. The person who paid for that letter is you, your dues and fees. The HOA decides to sue you. Who paid for the lawsuit against you? You. You paid for your own lawsuit. You want to defend yourself. You have to pay for it, and that's what needs to change. If you have an issue with your HOA, it is my belief that you should be able to turn to your own organization to get legal support to fight against the very organization that you paid for to sue yourself. And with that, and my guess is, most of this will come to an end. And why won't they do it? Well, we can't have people defending themselves here. I mean, we can't have people having the right to defend themselves. What'll we do? This will be a major, major shift getting this done. But I'll say this to those who are in government positions, and if you're a member of the law enforcement, if you do this, you will stop the violence. If you do this, you will stop the harassment. If you do this, you will stop the crime. Because there'll be no reason for it to happen. It will simply go away.